Students, today I am going to demonstrate an experiment in which I have used this galvanometer and this milliammeter, in which I have chosen this scale of 20 milliampere, maximum scale of 20 milliampere, and it has been converted into ammeter. Okay, and a color code resistors in series, and I have chosen these resistors in such a way that almost full scale division current, full scale current almost, that will flow through this galvanometer. All of us have done in our theory part that Ig, it is the full scale current. Full scale current. What do you understand by full scale current? Means when that maximum current flows through galvanometer, when Ig current flows through galvanometer, then it shows full scale deflection. But the problem in front of us is we don't know the scale of galvanometer, and it is very difficult to determine the scale. Okay, so I have devised a very simple way to determine the scale and the value of the one small division of this galvanometer. So I have connected this ammeter in series with this milliammeter, connected in series with this galvanometer, as well as this resistor in series with this circuit. Now I switch on the key. Let's determine the current flowing. Now I switch on the key. Okay, look. Now, as this whole circuit is in series, so amount of current flowing through each and every part of the circuit is same. As here, it shows the current value. So I current, and this current, when this current flows through this milliammeter, then this current and this current are same because they are connected in series. So to determine its value, I will use this value. So 2.91 milliampere is the current flowing through this galvanometer also, because these two are in series. It means now this division is almost at the end. Now it means Ig is the full scale current. How much is the full scale current? Is 2.91 milliampere. So this is 2.91 milliampere. Suppose it is almost at the end. It means 2.91 milliampere is the current flowing through this galvanometer, and it is showing full scale deflection. So 2.91 milliampere is the current. Now I want to find figure of merit. Figure of merit. What is figure of merit? Students, figure of merit is K. That is Ig over N. So Ig is full scale current, that is 2.91 ampere, divided by the number of divisions. So how many divisions are there? 30. Both sides, no? So 30 divisions. That is 2.91 divided by 30. Okay. So I will take its ratio. Let's find out the resistance. Now I find out this resistance, 2.91. Let's find out 2.91. Clear? This is milliampere divided by 30. The answer is, that is 0.097. Okay, so that is the milliampere per division. Milliampere per division. It means that is the range of this galvanometer. So the reading of one division, reading of one small division is 0.097 milliampere per division. That is the figure of merit of this galvanometer, and it has been determined by choosing the value of these resistors, so that the full scale deflection current flows through this galvanometer and equal current flows through this ammeter. So that is the way to find figure of merit.